Ako, naglalakad pa uwi. I just wanted to say and wish you ng happy birthday. At saka, I want to say that you are my best friend, my inspiration, my day one. At you are the person that I aspired to be. At saka, napakagaling mo sa school, sa studies, as a mom na nagtatrabaho. At saka, raising 2 kids. You are my superhero. So, so I wanted to say I love you and I don't want to take up more time for this video kasi maraming may mahal sa'yo that are gonna greet you. Kaya, yun lang. Okay. Love you.
Hello! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ate Jo.
Ate Joklay. O Jo, happy birthday. 18th birthday mo yata, no? So, maraming salamat sa mga biyayang pinagkaloob sa atin lahat ng Panginoon, and you are one of the blessings that He has granted us. So we thank God for adding you to our family, and we thank you too for being a respectful child to your parents and to us as well, loving wife to our Chris, and
Loving mother.
super mom to our Miggy Boy and Basti, as well as a supportive sister to Chris' siblings and to your siblings-in-law, and a second mom to our other grandkids. So maraming salamat, Lord, for giving us Joanne, and we know that you are very industrious and very strong woman, and you are the model of 50 being now the new 18. You are embarking on a new journey bago kang estudyante. And we just pray to God for your success. We're always here. Let us know whatever we can do to help you succeed in your journey in life.
Kapper, sing. Sing. Happy birthday to you. Sing, Kapper. Kapper. Kapper, sing. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so thank you, Lord. Thank you for Joanne. Thank you for her 50th birthday. Thank you for the blessings that you have granted her, and for granting her to be part of our family. Maraming salamat, Panginoon. And we just lift her up to you and all her dreams and aspirations. And here's to greater success to you. 안녕하세요. Happy birthday. Thank
Happy
you.
birthday. God bless. Happy birthday, ate.
All right. Love you.
Love you,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Likot.
Hi, Ninang Joanne. We just want to greet you a happy.
I don't want it.
What do you want to say to Ninang Joanne?
Birthday.
Okay. We hope to see you soon, and I love you. Sabi, I love you, Ninang Joanne.
I love you, Nina Joanne. I love you.
Ba't ba ganyan mga mukha nyo? Kanina ba kayo nagmana?
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Joanne. Thank you for everything. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo. And we wish you success sa napili mong bagong career. More patience. Patience ha, hindi patience. Pwede rin patience. So, nasa sa'yo na lahat. At saka, para ka lang 18. Para ka lang 18 years old with 32 years of experience. Tama ba yung math ko? 18, 32, 33. Ayan, si Jello ang aking taga-correct. Anyways, see you soon. Sana makabalik kayo ulit dito and sana makapunta rin kami dito. Hindi lang kayo. No? Okay. We love you and God bless. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Bye, bye. Happy 50th birthday, Tita Joanne. Kaya wala si Andy nandun. Siya yung naghahawak ng camera. Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Tinakbukan namin ng 50 kilometers. Hindi pa, 53 kilometers kami. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Bye-bye! See you!
Happy birthday, Tita Joanne! Hello! Ito ako ngayon sa UP. Just done our morning and wanna let you know that I'm wishing you good health, good wealth, good fortune, and a lot more of good experiences in the years to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joanne! Kamusta na? Ito, mabuti naman ako. Love you! Ingat dyan!
Happy 50th birthday, Joanne.
Happy birthday, Ate Joanne. Happy 50th birthday, Joanne. Pare ko, marami kang handa ngayon. Kasi 50th eh. Pa-Jollibee ka naman. Kailan ba itong katabi ko? Anak ni Erling, bunso ni Erling yan. Ano yan, graduating na sa September. Nutrition ang kinuha niya. Si Miggy ba sa nag-aaral ngayon? Ay, hindi pa pala siya gagraduate niya, ano? Kasi mas matanda ata si Pauline sa kanya eh. Doon, punta kayo sa ano ulit, dito sa piyesta. Naalala ko tuloy pagka ano, nakita ko yung mga litrato niya, naalala ko si Miggy. Bye-bye na, Joanne. Bye-bye. Happy birthday po.
Kumusta sa inyo lahat dyan, ha? Sige, bye-bye.
축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 지구에서 우주에서 제일 사랑합니다.
Happy birthday, Joanne! Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Hi, John! Happy birthday! Birthday nga ba? Ilang taong ka na ba? Tagal na tayong hindi nakikita. Baka hindi na tayo mag-abot Kasi alam mo naman, tumatanda tayo, humihina. Pero awa ng Diyos, wala naman ako sakit. Malakas pa rin ang katawan ko, nakakapag-alaga pa ng mga apo. Pero gusto ko lang talaga, tagal na tayong hindi nakikita. Makita na haba ng sinabi ko dyan. Ilang taong ka na? 58? Pero wala sa mukha mo, bebe. Mukhang 25 ka lang, kalahati ng edad mo. Oh, ako 82 na. Kaya malapit na sa boundary. Yun lang, patuloy ka namin ipagdadasal, ang kaligtasan mo, malagi kang masaya.
Dali.
At huwag mag-alala sa mga problema, huwag intindi na problema.
Hello, Joanne! Happy birthday! 50 years old ka na! Ha? Golden years! Anong handa dyan? Padalan mo kami. Ha? Kumusta na kayo dyan? Kumusta na kayo? Miss na miss ko na kayo. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Stay healthy, and happy! Bye! O, yan na.
Marami ang ups and down ng buhay, but you take it as a challenge, not a hindrance. And if I number it, from 1 to 10, it is 8 with flying colors. With prayers, my best wishes. Happy birthday.
Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan. Mag-greet lang po ako kay Ate Joanne. Happy birthday po. Simpala tayo ng March. Ikaw 19, ako naman 21. Sim din tayo ng age 50. God bless you po. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Magandang araw, Joanne, at sa pamilya, at Chakora, Chubrais, Nikki, May, Baste, Chris. Happy birthday. Golden ka na rin. Wish ko ng good health. Tsaka laging happy. God bless. I love you.
Hi, Joanne. Kamusta na? Ayan. Happy 50th birthday, ah. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Joanne, happy birthday. 50 ka na. Malapit na senior. 10 years na lang. Ingat.
Hi Joanne, happy 50th birthday. It's so fast you're already 50, but it doesn't show. Promise. Anyway, I wish you more happiness, more blessings, good health, and good life. And just to share, in 2004, that was my first time to be in the US, and I will never forget your generosity and Chris to treat me around Vegas and LA, and I really appreciate that. And ang dami kong good memories with you guys and with Miggy. So yeah, thank you for that time, and thank you for all the memories, and God bless you all, and have a great birthday, and enjoy. And I think you have a surprise party tonight. Not sure. So enjoy, and hi to Chakora, Chubrais, and yeah, that's it. So God bless you all. Bye.
Hey Joanne, happy birthday. 50? You're still 25, di ba? With another 25 years of experience. Enjoy!
Hi Joanne, happy birthday! Happy 50th! Golden girl ka na. Enjoy the time. Blessings to you. God bless, okay? See you when we see you. Bye! Yun o, ang bawgi no katabi ko. Bye. Love you.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 저는 셀리나입니다. 1, 2, 3. Mitsubishi Toyota. Mitsubishi Toyota. Mitsubishi Toyota. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hindi na alam ko Korean o Japanese, but anyway, happy 50th birthday. Ate Joanne, ano ba? We wish you all the best. This is your year to flourish. All right. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joanne. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Joanne. I know this is another stage of life for you. Ang prayers and wish ko for your birthday ay a successful life. I know that still you already have a successful life, pero more continuous blessing ng Lord sa iyo at para sa iyong pamilya, at saka good health para maibigay ng husto at ma-enjoy mo ng husto yung success na ibibigay ng Lord sa iyo. Wisdom, joy, and a real abundant life. Okay? Sige, happy birthday! Surprise! Okay, bye! Love ya! Bye-bye!
Did you delete the old one?
No! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Joanne! Happy birthday to you!
I got
Happy
you.
birthday,
Yeah.
Joanne!
I got you.
May the Lord bless you and
got
keep you
you.
and grant you
I
all
got
your
you after all
desires
these
as you
years.
delight yourself
got
in
you.
Him. Joanne, I know this is another stage of life, and I just want
You're
to
not lucky because I have a
wish you
chicken hand.
a great success in life. And good health also, of course. And
Have a good day. Bye.
Happiest birthday, Ate Juana. And belated din kay Bryce pala. So, naalala ko lang, 20 years ago, nandyan ako nung nag-celebrate tayo ng birthday mo. And then, lumabas din yung green card ninyo. So, wala lang, naalala ko lang. Anyway, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Kami okay kami lahat dito. So, yan, ingat lang, ingat kayo lagi. And then, pray tayo lagi sa safety ng bawat isa. Ingat kayo. Happy birthday. Papings ka naman.
Birthday, Joanne. Wish ko lang sana, good health. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan. Kay ni Erwin. Tayong tatlong Maria. Sa taon sa ating Ate, di ba? And sana, sabi kong gano'n, magkakita-kita pa tayo ulit. Magkakabanding-banding pa tayong tatlo ulit. At birthday din na kami ko ngayon. Eto, nag-swimming kami. Bye, Joanne. Happy birthday. Birthday, Joanne.
Joanne. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Maligayang kaarawan, Juana. Welcome to the Golden Joy La Club. Grateful to be your friend and looking forward to traveling with you. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Juaning.
Happy 50th, Joanne. Welcome to the club. Please, ikaw, you don't look a year older. Para ka ring nasa 30s. Anyway, enjoy your birthday with your family. And I hope to see you soon. Okay? Bye.
Hello, John. Welcome to the second anniversary of your 25th birthday. Yay! Golden girl ka na! Welcome to the club. I wish you all the happiness in life because you deserve the world. I hope you have an amazing birthday. I hope to see you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Joanne. Love you. Baymax too.
Baymax?
Baymax too.
Come on. Baymax.
He says happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Jo! Maraming salamat for being our superwoman. I'm inspired by your kindness, your humility, and your great heart. Lahat gusto mong tulungan at lahat kaya mong tulungan. Lahat kaya at lahat kayang gawan ng paraan. Salamat ng marami for the inspiration. As you celebrate your 50th birthday, I wish you all the love and happiness in the world. ipagpatuloy ang pagiging dalubhasa para sa bayan at para sa OPA. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joanne!
Happy 50th birthday! Thank you for your friendship, for being a constant part of our lives kahit na kung saan-saang parte na ng mundo kayo nagpunta at nakabalik ngayon sa California. Thank you for being a constant in our lives. Thank you for being so good to us, good to our families, kahit makukulit yung mga kapamilya namin na bumibili ng bahay sa'yo. Thank you for being so helpful and being very patient to both sides of our family. We pray that you continue to thrive in all that you do and always be successful.
Ang tagal na natin magkakaibigan, let's not count how many years it has been. But, ang dami na natin pinagdaanan and it always feels like kahit na hindi tayo regular na makita yung mga pamilya natin, it's just pag nakikita tayo parang walang nawala. So we're very grateful for the friendship, for our families, for both our families. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th
Happy
birthday!
50th birthday!
Happy birthday sa pinsan, kalaro at kababata kong si Joanne. Happy birthday sa'yo, Joanne. God bless you more. And I miss you. See you soon. Hopefully. Regards to everyone. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Joanne! My gosh, golden girl ka na. So, what shall I say? Happy birthday! And enjoy each and every moment of your celebration. I'm sure you're very happy kasi nandyan yung mga kapatid mo, plus si Mama, at si Papa, and of course, si Chris, Basti, and Mickey. I wish you all the best sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Looking forward to see you, Nurse Joanne. So, yeah, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joanne. Happy birthday, golden girl.
See you in Europe. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Goldie! Golden na tayo, Jo. I wish you more blessings in life and good health. You know, our friendship turned into golden year na rin, I must say. From grade school to college, and here we are today. Jobel is that one dear friend, a sister, and I considered a family. Cheers to being 50 and counting. Love you, Jo. Alam mo, dito lang. One message away or one phone call away. Take care. Love you.
Hi, Jobel. We missed you. Thank you for being such a loving and dependable friend. Si Jobel yung friend na talagang kahit napaka-busy niya, alam ko napakaaga gumigising at nag-prepare ng food para sa family, nakuha pa rin niya yung time na may kailangan akong paggawa na pasulat sa kanya dahil magaling siya sumulat. Nagawa niyang gawin dahil gusto niya akong tulungan. And in all the years, parati siya nandyan to help me. Kaya napakamahal ko yan si Joanne.
Hello, Joanne. Namimiss ka na namin. Sayang, hindi tayo kompletong apat na Maria. Pero, we always know na like ka naman nasa heart and mind namin, maski hindi tayo physically magkakasama. I thank you for the friendship that we had since grade school. I appreciate all the things na ginagawa mo for us, not only for me. You are an example of para sa akin yung pagiging healthy, yung mga mo, and thank you sa mga advices mo pagka nag-reach out ako sa'yo. Hindi mo lang alam how much thankful ako kayo sa inyong dalawa ni Chris, and for always praying for us, you know, and thank you for Attorney Samson. Okay.
Happy birthday! Okay, so tayo yung unang-unang nagkakilala sa St. John's. Remember, back when
kompleto ng mga kapote yung iyong mga bag, baonan, may payong ka pa, at lahat may nakasulat sa gamit mo na Joanne T. Abella. Happy birthday! Alam mo na yon. Okay, mula noon hanggang ngayon, nandito kami para sa'yo as you have always been there for us as well. We all, especially kami ni Dek, we look forward to seeing you again. But dapat kasama mo si Chris dahil alam natin lahat na si Chris talaga ang magaling sa lahat ng biyahe. At kahit nakakapagod kayong kasama, ang Lawit Dila Tours, hindi namin kayo pagpapalit dahil napakasarap niyong kasama. Thank you for all the memories that we've made in the past and the beautiful memories that I'm sure we will all continue to make moving forward hanggang sa pagtanda natin. So, paano ba? Magkaedad na tayo. Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday, John! We love you!
We love you!
See you again soon!
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh my mom. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang karawan. Happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños. Mabaho pek-pek mo. Happy birthday.
This is for you.
Happy birthday!